Have you heard about the man who heard his own autopsy? At 9:14 a.m., Daniel Crowe was pronounced dead. At 9:17, he heard them cut him open. Daniel Crowe was a sound engineer. He trained his life to listen for what others missed, which is why no one believed him when he said he could hear after death. His heart stopped. His brain didn't. I couldn't move, but I could hear everything. The elevator doors closed, locked in a body already declared gone. Let's begin. Don't. Please don't. I felt pressure, not pain. Pressure like my body remembered what pain was supposed to be. No visible trauma. This doesn't make sense. They were closer now, closer to the truth and to ending me. Stop. This patient was administered a paralytic. He couldn't move, couldn't breathe, but his brain could still hear. Get him back, now. Pain exploded into existence, which meant one thing. I was alive. Daniel Crowe survived, barely. Some deaths are silent. Others take notes. Recorder clicks off.